I am Chanel Matthews, and this is Unfiltered. In today's fast-paced world, having the right skills can make a difference in how we navigate everyday life. What's one skill you think everyone should have?
I think everybody should have that skill of helping other people.
I feel like everybody should learn how to swim because you will never know if you will go in the water or a bad friend push you in the water. You know, you should learn how to swim.
Respect and manners and love. Because manners carry you far away.
One skill I think everyone should have would be adaptability overall, so they can adapt to any scenario or any changes that might happen in the future or right now.
One skill I definitely think, especially Jamaicans, should have is critical thinking skills. Okay, so my opinion is that we're too hard-headed sometimes, and sometimes we really need to sit and think through a situation before we actually give an action to it, because every action have a response, and sometimes when we think about it, it will prevent us from being in certain situations.
I think everybody in Jamaica should learn to swim. I think everybody in Jamaica should learn to swim. I remember when I traveling and them say, "You come from the Caribbean?" And I said, "Yes." So they, "Can you swim?" I said, "No." So you should be able to swim. We should be able to swim. We're surrounded by the Caribbean Sea. Anything can happen.
I think that if you have something, you should know how to service it yourself. If it's even basic service. For example, if you have a car, I think that you should know how to check your coolant level, to check your engine level, and the transmission. It's simple. It's a dipstick, or if it's on the system, you should know how to find it and to see the level as where your car is at. And I think that will save you money, because if your engine overheats, there's a chance that you have to buy a new engine or rebuild it. And if you run out of oil, it's the same thing. Your engine will seize, and that's basically a new engine.
Please know how to cook. For the young man who is there that your mother cook all of your life and you never had to cook before, cook. Both man and woman. Thank you. All right.